creating bubbles. Sound pretty simple? No, but it's quite complicated. What is it about soap that generates bubbles so easily? In normal water, you would barely see any bubbles, and if you find any, they're not stable. By adding soap to water, the water turns into bubbly spa. Actually, dear students, soap molecules have two different ends. One end attracts water, means it is hydrophilic, and the other end repels water, means it is hydrophobic. When soap is mixed with water, the opposite ends of the soap molecule sandwich a layer of water between themselves. This creates a thin film that encompasses a tiny bit of air, and this is called a bubble. Bubbles in soapy water are quite stable because the surface tension of soapy water is much lower than that of the normal water. In my next video, I'm going to tell you why bubbles are spherical in shape. So wait and watch. Thank you.